International Drugs Policy Consortium for their statement.
Gracias, señor presidente.
Thank you, Chair. I'm making this on behalf of the International Consortium of Drugs Policies. Please allow me to express our solidarity with all of those people seriously affected by the financing crisis. For harm reduction, we call upon governments and donors to act urgently to finance damage reduction policies to save lives. The review of the coca leaf is 70 years after its traditional uses were banned by including it on List 1 of the 1961 Convention, when the coca leaf has been used for thousands of years by Andean and Amazon people for medicinal, religious, and cultural purposes. The decision to subject it to international control was based on racist colonial prejudice, which are truly problematic. We urge the WHO's committee to correct this historic error and distance itself from the racist arguments expressed by the WHO in the past. Since 1961, there has been a lot of research, and the coca leaf has been proven not to cause damage to health. It has benefits as a medicine and a nutritional supplement. The coca leaf is essential for social, cultural, and religious purposes. The basic premise of the 1961 Convention establishes that plants should only be included on the list if they produce harmful effects similar to other controlled substances. This is not the case of the coca leaf compared to other substances included on List 1. Chair, different organizations and different resolutions have referred to the need to decolonize drug policies and to align UN drug conventions with human rights. That also covers indigenous rights and cultural and ancestral practices. All UN bodies, including the WHO, should respect and guarantee human rights because they are one of the essential pillars of the United Nations. Therefore, any recommendation from the expert committee should take into account human rights and the International Declaration of the Rights of Indigenous Peoples. And therefore, we hope that the expert committee will consider the ancestral practices in the use of the coca leaf and that Indigenous peoples will receive the attention they deserve when the recommendation is issued. To conclude, we call upon the WHO to guarantee a transparent and inclusive process which will include the active participation of Indigenous people throughout all aspects, including a public hearing with them. We urge member states who objected to Bolivia's reservation when it objected to the list in 2013 to withdraw those objections as Mexico and the Netherlands did. We believe that we could have a legal, natural market of coca leaf products. There would not be corporate appropriation, and we could protect the rights of Indigenous peoples in the Andes and in the Amazons. This is a step in the right direction. There are so many deaths caused by drugs and violations of human rights. Then we urgently need deep-rooted systematic reforms so that human beings are at the focus of the UN's conventions. Inertia is no longer an option. Thank you.